All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is March 11th. It's 3:28 p.m. Eastern Time in the afternoon. And I was looking at the markets and I saw something that I thought would be a good idea for us to take a look and talk about because I get a lot of questions. By the way, my name is Daniel. I'm with Vantage Point AI and I get a lot of questions on the Vantage Point software. And it's about how Vantage Point is able to understand what's expected to happen with incredible accuracy. For those of you that are new to this channel, whether you're watching on Facebook, whether you're watching on YouTube, welcome. Welcome to the Vantage Point AI software. This is a software program that I use to do my market analysis. And I thought I'd hop on really quick and do just a quick live, maybe a minute long, just so that you can take a look and see what the software is all about and how it works. I'm going to do a full session tomorrow, by the way, at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That would be March 12th. I'm going to do a full session where I dig into the software, but I thought before the market closed this afternoon, we could look at the SPY and you can see what Vantage Point, the artificial intelligence in Vantage Point, has been able to do from a SPY prediction standpoint. By the way, what we're looking at is a very, very strong bullish move that was forecasted way back here in January on the SPY, and up till Friday's close, this position had moved about 7.5%, hypothetical gain of over $17,000 with 500 shares, if you will. And the reason I wanted to take a second and show you this is because not so much what's happened over the last several weeks, even though that is a monster move that I'm sure a lot of traders would have really loved to have from the beginning. If you're not a Vantage Point software user and you didn't get to see this, then tune in tomorrow and I'll show you exactly how you can see this day in and day out. But really quickly, if you look over here on the side, I wanted to show you something. The software itself is telling us over here on the right-hand side of the screen that overall the trend is still expected to be bullish. Why do I say that? Because there's still green between the blue line and the gray line. This is a artificial intelligence prediction. And as I said, I'll go into this more tomorrow. And we've got some green here, we've got some bullishness here. But what I'm saying is the AI said we can expect a down day today from a high and a low standpoint. The predicted high is lower than the previous days and the predicted low is also lower than the previous days. This forecast came out at 6:30 p.m. on Friday evening, right? 6:30 p.m. on Friday evening it came out, and you can see that it's saying we could expect prices to be lower. Not necessarily an up day or a down day. That's not what this is saying. Just that we can expect lower prices today, even though the overall trend is expected to be somewhat bullish. I'm going to walk through the details and explain for everybody how this is done tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, but it's just remarkable how powerful this AI is. It's able to predict trends up to 3 days in advance. Think about this. We're talking about this Friday prediction. This came out Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I almost said 5:30. It's 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I had the information, and so did the Vantage Point users, that we could expect lower prices today, even though there's still some bullishness left in this trend. I'll walk through the details tomorrow. If this is something you're interested in, put it on your calendar. If you haven't already subscribed to YouTube, if you're not a friend on Facebook, give us a thumbs up. Get connected, because I'm going to do sessions like this every couple of weeks. Not so much this one, but tomorrow's session, that's about an hour. We do those every couple of weeks so that you can really understand how to apply this technology. So if you haven't signed up, go ahead and sign up already. I just wanted to pop in and show you before the market closed what the prediction was on Friday so that you can have this information on an ongoing basis. By the way, if this is the first time you've ever seen anything related to Vantage Point, welcome. You can go to vantagepointforecasts.com, right? You can go to vantagepointforecasts.com and check it out and get any questions you might want answered. But I wanted to say hi, pop in. Again, I'm with Vantage Point AI. My name is Daniel, and I will be here tomorrow walking through the details of these forecasts. Have a great evening, everybody.